1 year ago today, I was 25 pounds overweight and in a toxic relationship with sugar and my couch. I was unmotivated, I was irritable, I was tired all the time. My lung disease doctor told me that COPD was progressive, not curable, and that all I could hope for is to manage it with medication. And then I met Coach Cathy, who presented me with a 2-minute challenge. That challenge changed my life. I now do simple, highly effective breathing exercises. I do weight training. I've measurably increased my lung capacity, and I have not needed steroids or antibiotics in 2 years. Today I signed up for a 5K, something I never would have believed possible a year ago. So now I run 2 days a week, I work out 5 days a week, eat 5 meals a day. I love my life and my life loves me.